15. Winter flowers that bloom in the cold. Would you like to discover beautiful flowers that bloom even in the cold of winter? In this video, we'll introduce 15 winter flowers that are not only resistant to the cold, but also bring color and beauty to your home and garden during the cold season. From snow-loving flowers to evergreen plants, we have interesting and practical information for plant enthusiasts. If you'd like to learn more about these types of plants and how to care for them, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button so you never miss a video. Also, if you have experience caring for winter flowers, feel free to share it in the comments. One, pansies and violas. The beautiful pansy flower blooms primarily in winter and in moderate climates, and some varieties thrive in cold weather during spring. Pansies are technically annuals, but many of their species self-pollinate and grow again in the following spring. 2. Snowdrops. The snowdrop, also known as galanthus, should be planted in early autumn to showcase its beautiful flowers in the spring, requiring a period of winter cold. These charming flowers look stunning in garden entrances or terrace pots and often bloom while there is still snow on the ground. 3. Winter jasmine. This climbing shrub has long, arcing branches and bright yellow flowers. Although this type of jasmine is not fragrant, it stands out beautifully in the dull, snowy landscapes of late winter with its vibrant yellow blooms. 4. Hellebores. The black hellebore, also known as the Christmas rose, is a beautiful perennial that blooms around Easter for Christians, and depending on your location, it flowers from mid to late winter. Despite the delicate appearance of the flowers, they are as sturdy as nails. 5. Pyrrhus. This beautiful shrub blooms from mid to late winter, when the weather reaches its coldest point. Hundreds of bell-shaped flowers hang from the slender branches of this striking evergreen shrub, adding a unique beauty to the landscape. 6. Winterberry improbable haremberry, dwelling on the John Simon story, provides an offering not unusual for deep interest basement. 6. Winterberry. The winterberry, also known as ilex or Canadian holly, is a deciduous plant, meaning it sheds its leaves in winter. However, its vibrant branches filled with berries stand out against a blanket of snow. This plant produces fruit, berries, and a breakfast food for the cold season. 7. Winter aconite. This lesser-known flower has bold yellow blooms that appear strikingly in the snow and cold. To enhance the beauty of your garden or pot, plant them in dense clusters for a more vibrant display. 8. Cyclamen. This beautiful flower, known as the Persian violet in Iran, is often sold as a houseplant. Cyclamen produces delicate flowers in colors like pink, white, purple, and more. In mild climates, it prefers winter sunlight and summer shade, so it's best to plant them under deciduous trees. 9. Witch hazel. The witch hazel shrub produces yellow thread-like flowers on its woody branches in February or March. The unique appearance of these flowers adds a distinctive touch to your landscape. Be sure to plant the winter-blooming variety of witch hazel to enjoy its flowers in winter, as this plant comes in different types. English primrose. These fragrant flowers are among the first perennials to bloom from late winter to early spring, depending on your location. English primrose comes in various types, so when purchasing, make sure to choose a variety that can withstand harsh winter cold and bloom in cold weather. 11. Camellia. These beautiful evergreen shrubs have white, pink, or red flowers that bloom from fall to winter. Camellia comes in various types, and only some varieties bloom during the winter season. Glory of the snow. As its name suggests, this delicate flower blooms even through snow in the coldest weather. The flowers come in blue, pink, and white, making it an ideal plant for front door landscaping or pots on the terrace. 13. Pussy willow. This medicinal plant doesn't have large, colorful flowers, but it produces fluffy, cotton-like buds in late winter and early spring, signaling that spring is near. 14. Leucojum. These delicate flowers resemble snowflakes, which is why they are also called snowdrops. Their blooms appear when there is still snow on the ground, typically in late winter or early spring, adding a unique beauty to the landscape. 15. Mahonia. This evergreen shrub has flower-like leaves and striking clusters of bright yellow flowers that appear in late fall or early winter. When purchasing, be sure to choose a variety that is suitable for surviving the winter. As you can see, there are many beautiful winter flowers and plants that can bloom in the cold season and add color and freshness to your home or garden. To care for these plants, just make sure to pay attention to their specific environmental conditions and needs. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to watch more videos on plant care. Let us know in the comments which winter flower you like the most and share your experiences with us.